How to install EarnApp on a Linux machine. Click on the Linux icon. The page will navigate to installation instructions in the FAQ section. Now, paste the installation command inside the terminal and press Enter. You will need to accept the terms. Type Yes to accept. After successful installation, you will need to link the device to your account. Use the link provided inside your browser. In the browser you will see on the top right corner a message, saying, "Device successfully linked." And the linked device will appear in the Devices table. Stay tuned for our next video, how to set up auto redeem.